Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this collar cardigan. Your bust measurement will guide the sizing, half for the back and a quarter for each front panel. Alright, first I will show you how to make lemon peel stitch. Make a slip knot and chain of any number. Next, skip the first stitch and make a single crochet. Into the next stitch, make a double crochet. Next stitch, a single crochet. Next, a double crochet. Keep repeating, make alternate of single crochet and double crochet until you reach the end of this row. Next row, chain 1, turn your work. Make 1 single crochet into the first stitch, which is a double crochet from previous row. Then 1 double crochet into the next stitch, which is a single crochet from previous row. Repeat, make alternate of single crochet and double crochet until you reach the end of this row. Alright, for the next row, make chain 1, turn your work, and repeat row number 2. Alright, this is my front panel. I start with chain 46 and I already made 51 row until it reach around my collarbone, and we will do decrease together. To make a lemon peel decrease, I start with a unfinished double crochet since the previous stitch was a single crochet. Then add an unfinished single crochet and pull through all the loops. And continue, make alternate of double crochet and single crochet until you finish this row. Alright, in this side we not do decrease. I will continue make lemon peel stitch until I have 2 last stitches. After you reach the last 2 stitches, next make 1 unfinished single crochet. Next 1 unfinished double crochet and pull through all the loops. Next, chain 1, turn your work. Now we're going to repeat row number 52 and 53 until we reach our shoulder. Alright, mine is done, and I will make one more front panel. Alright, both of my front panels are done. Now we will move to the back panel. For the back panel, I make a foundation chain of 91, which is equal to both front panels combined. I didn't do any increase or decrease on this panel, just work straight in lemon peel stitch. Now, I'm going to seam the front and back panels using a darning needle. If you would like to use another method of seaming, please go ahead. And I'm going to join the other side as well. Alright, for the sleeve, I made foundation chain of 54 and I worked 63 rows straight without any increase or decrease. To seam it, fold the piece in half, mark the center, and sew. And I'm going to seam the side part as well. To make the collar, begin at the decrease row and work single crochet into every stitches. Next, chain 1, turn your work, and start making lemon peel stitch. I will continue make lemon peel stitch until I finish this row. Alright, I will continue working in lemon peel stitch until I have 11 of rows. And this is the collar looks like. Next, move to the placket, make a slip knot and insert it into the same spot like where we start the collar. And make single crochet into every stitches. Row number 2, make chain 1, turn your work, and make single crochet into every stitches. Alright, I finished my row number 2 and I already put stitch marker for the buttonhole. Next, a single crochet and then chain 2, skip 2 stitches, which is the stitch that we marked in the following stitch. And continue make single crochet until you reach the other stitch marker. After you reach the other stitch marker, make chain 2, skip 2 stitches, and continue make single crochet until you reach the other stitch marker. Keep repeating this until you finish the third row. Row number 4, make chain 1, turn your work, make single crochet into every stitches. Make 2 single crochet in the chain 2 space. And continue make single crochet into every stitches. Keep repeating this until you finish this row. Next, row number 5, chain 1, turn your work and single crochet into every stitches. For the other side, make 5 rows of single crochet without buttonholes. And then I will add the buttons. I will attach them with a darning needle like so. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!